And it's a little stiff too. It's like it's a little stiff trying to get it open, but it does work, and it's nice. The blade is nice and sharp. So anyhow, it's just gonna take a little time, but I love the way that thing closes. It's super easy to close with that locking mechanism. So yeah. All right, let's see what we have in here with this today. I don't know what this is, but it's something here. Let's see. And this is from Fioboc, I think it is. You can see that. See the name Fioboc. Yeah, I'm not. Oh, it says Tech Redefines Fashion. So yeah, let's see what this thing is. I'm assuming it's some sort of fashion. That's crazy if we have two fashion things in a row. Oh, we have a nice bag. That's always nice. They hooked us up. Nice bag. Appreciate that. Set that right there for just a moment. We have a, looks like they even gave us a card. So let's see what is in the card here. And let's see. Oh, talks about their mission. Oh, they talk about the return process on one end. And then on their mission, it says to develop sustainable and eco-friendly apparel with science and technology. Fioboc's original intention. It says, dedicated to leaving a positive impact on the public, we successfully created a series of luxury apparel with technical fabric, upmarket quality, and reasonable prices. Look at that, Fioboc, and they have their they have all their social stuff on there. So it's Fioboc basically at everything there. So that's how you spell their name there. So, all right, let's see what we have. It looks like this is going to be a certificate of quality. Always nice to see. And then we have a it says cooling tech, and then we have the Sorona Agile. Looks good, feels good. This long-lasting stretch fabric. So, and then they even put it in a nice. They have it in a nice tissue paper here. So yeah. All right, let's see what we have. I'll tell you, their presentation is on point. They really did a fantastic job with presentation. Oh, that's a nice looking shirt. I like that. It is a nice looking shirt. Look how white that is, man. That is super duper white. That is nice. And it's you'll see it sort of stretches. It's like that stretchy sort of nice fabric. It has that nice collar, so you're not just always wearing a white collar, a white shirt, and it has that same sort of accent stripes around the sleeves there, or on the sleeves. This is a really nice looking shirt. This is. If I hadn't just taken off my other shirt and put on a new one, I'd probably rock this right now. But I'm gonna go ahead and this thing is dope. I like this. This is gonna be a really nice shirt if you're out and about and you're trying to stay cool and you want to look nice, but you also want to look cool. You want to stay cool and be cool. That's gonna really help. And there's another one. Oh, looks like there's 3 of them in here. All right, let's see here. Looks like we have a black one. This is also going to have that really nice stretch material, that stretchy material like that. Look at that. That is a nice looking shirt. Man, I'm going to start wearing these when I do my regular videos. You guys have no idea. Sometimes when you do your regular videos, sometimes I like wearing all my crazy shirts, but sometimes when you're, working with brands, they don't always want messages on shirts. So having nice, good, clean looking shirts like this really, really helps. So big ups to Fioboc on this. I'm gonna be wearing this right away. So shout out to them. Yeah, I'll have to. And if you're looking for a nice Father's Day gift, these shirts would make a really, really nice Father's Day gift out there to somebody who needs something that their dad may like, and they don't want to get the regular old traditional buy dad a tie. Get dad a barbecue apron and then send him outside to cook. Somebody even told me a joke. They said fathers get the short end of the stick for everything because they don't get credit for parenting. They don't get credit for, for their contributions they make financially. And then on Father's Day, they're expected to cook because everybody's like, oh, it's Father's Day. Dad's going to barbecue. No one expects mom to cook on Mother's Day. So anyways, here we go. This is another one right there. That is very nice. It's a I would say it's gray. It's more like a charcoal color, but look at that. That is a really, really nice looking shirt. I love that stretchiness. I just love that stretchiness because it means it's gonna help fit nicely on you. And I really these things, they're thick, but they're not heavy. They're thick, but they're not heavy, if that makes sense. Let me see if I can pull open Fioboc's website if I can find them. Let me see. Let me just go ahead and search Fioboc, and there we go. I think I found them there. And all right, here. Let me bring open their. There we go. There we go. Now we have. You can see Fioboc, and you can see this is their comfort, their men's tech cooling comfort lux luminous, I believe it is, luminous logo shirt, and you can get it in several different colors. You see, you can get it in white, you can get it in black, you can get it in gray, and you can get it in navy blue. So, and there's medium, large, extra large, 2XL, and 3XL. So you can get it in all different types of flavors there. You can get an idea of what it looks like as far as the cut. And yeah, that is just really, really nice there. So yeah, these are really fantastic shirts. And let me just show you, let me see if I can find the one this one right here. I absolutely love this shirt, this white one here. This is fantastic. I kind of wish now that they had one that's sort of in reverse, that's sort of blue with stripes on there, or black with stripes. I just really like the look of this shirt. So we can see there what it looks like, and you can see how it's going to look from the back, and you have the accents on the sleeves there. You can punch in there and see that. I like that. That looks really nice. And then you can see kind of what it looks like on the hanger there, and then the sleeves, and then you have the collar there as well. So, and you can get these. You can get these in medium, large, extra large, 2XL, and 3XL. And it looks like these are going to be about $68 each. I'm not sure about the other ones. Let's see what the other ones are going to run here. So I believe this is the other one, the logo Cooling Tech one. And I believe I have this one in the black. This one's going to run about $59, so you can get that there. But you can see some of the features it has. It's going to help fight odor. It has that fit retention because it's going to have that stretchy material, so you're not going to have your t-shirt all stretched out. It's going to have best quality. Sorona, I think that might be some of the material. It has, again, that stretch, and it's antimicrobial, so it's going to help fight bugs and stuff off there. So those bugs you get from odor. A little bit about the company there. Again, I already read about it. They try and do they try and make their fashion sustainable so that they're not just running around causing a muck, because the fashion industry is one of the biggest polluters. It's terrible. So they are not doing that. They are making their stuff, in a very sustainable way. And, that's just one of those things that's fantastic. So you can they see about carbon emissions. They reduce carbon emissions by 63% with their manufacturing processes. You have their sizing guide, so you can figure out what sizes you actually wear, and they have a blog even, so you can check that out. But we all care about their actual shirts and the stuff, and they look fantastic. You can get an idea of what they have for all of them. They have some V-necks on there. They have some Henleys. They have the oil and stain proof t-shirts. They have the short sleeve solid color embroidered t-shirts. They have the short sleeve side seam on there. So yeah, they have all kinds of options so you can get whatever it is that you like. And big ups to them for sending this out to me. I really appreciate it. So if you are looking for a nice Father's Day gift, I think these make a wonderful, wonderful Father's Day gift. They look wonderful. These are great shirts. And these are the kind of high quality shirts your dad will appreciate, or your husband, or your boyfriend, or yourself if you just want to buy yourself some nice shirts. These are the kinds of shirts you'll appreciate. And it's funny because you look at shirts like this and you think, oh man, that thing's $62. And some people think that's expensive. But here's the thing. When you look at shirts over time and you see how much they cost, and when you buy high quality shirts, you don't have to buy them again. Unless you do something destructive to the shirt, like get it snagged on some barbed wire or get it stuck in some Constantine wire when you're trying to escape from a prison camp or something, unless you do something crazy like that, that shirt's gonna last you for years and years and years and years. And us guys, to be honest with you, we don't really need to buy clothes as often as women because our fashions are fairly consistent. Our fashion, is really pretty stable and consistent. So we can rock a nice shirt like that and some jeans, and we're good for a decade or two. So, yeah.